I have this oval, it came from Michael's, and I'm going to paint it in Wise Owl Snow Owl. Just one light coat, and then I'm going to allow that to fully dry. Next, I found this other oval from Hobby Lobby. It has the beaded edge, and I'm going to paint that in Wise Owl Mandarina. And I'm just going to give this one really good coat of the Mandarina. Now, of course, you could pick any colors of your choice. I'm going for a fall Thanksgiving themed color. I'm going to allow this to dry, and I got these napkins right from Hannaford, and I wanted to show you on the package how it says 2-ply. That shows you how many layers of the napkin you're going to have. So for this napkin, I have 2 layers, so I'm going to remove the bottom layer, keeping the image layer for my project. So I'm going to carefully peel that off. I'm using Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear to decoupage. You can certainly use Mod Podge if that's something you prefer. While that's still wet, I'm going to lay the napkin onto the oval. Now the oval was just slightly too big, so I get some of the turkey feathers from the other part of the napkin at the top, but I'm still going to work with it. Once I lay it down, I'm going to take a piece of saran wrap, and then I'm going to do another top coat of 1-hour enamel clear. At this point, if the edges are wet enough, you can peel off the extra napkin, or you can allow it all to fully dry and sand it off when you're finished. I'm going to carefully peel mine off and set that aside to dry. I'm going to go back to my round with the beaded edge, and I'm going to dry brush some Wise Owl chocolate around the edges. Once everything is dry, I'm going to glue my turkey in the center, the smaller oval in the larger oval. I have these little floral paper mums. I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby. They came in 2 different colors. I have like a golden yellow and almost like a cranberry. I'm going to put one in the center and then one on the left and one on the right of that. And I'm just gluing those down. I have this piece of wired ribbon. I'm going to fold it so the 2 ends meet in the center. And then I'm going to take a piece of jute and tie that in the center. And this is just a very simple way to make a small, easy bow. When it's wired, you can fluff up both ends, both little loops there, you could fluff up. And then I'm going to glue that right above the turkey feathers to cover the other turkey feathers. And there you go. I think this is very cute and welcoming for your Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for watching. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com.